Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Joy Worker. Hi there. It's a sit-stand mobile or portable desk. That my understanding is it's actually on wheels and it's also foldable. So the name of the product is, I think, which is also the company name, capital Joy, J-O-Y, and then lowercase Worker. Kind of a cool name, and I'm not really sure what's going on lately with my packages, but the trend continues. The other side's actually even more damaged than this one, of it getting dinged. My package is getting dinged up for whatever reason. I don't know if the UPS guy has it in for me or whatever, or the Amazon delivery company, but yeah, all my boxes seem to be coming in pretty smashed up lately, which is just pretty crazy. But anyhow, so for today, I'm just gonna take it out of the box. Some people have said that this comes fully assembled, which I'm hoping is the case. If that is the case, I'll actually do a little demo as well. If it needs to be assembled, I'll do a separate video, but for now I just wanted to take it out of the box and show you guys what we got. So without further ado, let's get into it. I've got my Epic unboxing knife here ready to go. And it looks like probably the best way to take this out of the box is to stand it up here. And it looks like there's a ton of tape here, so hopefully it wasn't re-taped and that is just a fluke. But yep, my unboxing knife is going through this baby like butter. So yeah, I've been using my television as a computer monitor, but I need to move my dining room table in order to work. And I've got one of those sort of, it's a high off the ground table, and I basically set my laptop, my laptop, my mouse and my keyboard on top of the dining room table, and I push it right up towards the against the TV. And I thought, well, this would be a much more elegant solution where I don't have to move the dining room table all the time, and where it's mobile. I thought that this would be a good fix. It looks like it might be assembled, which would be very cool. Nope, it is not. Dang it. So yeah, we have multiple pieces here. Just slide it out in the view of the camera here so you guys can see what we're dealing with. So we've got some screws. We also have it looks like a handle, and then that little doohickey there, I think they call it, maybe it's a spacer or something like that. There is an installation video online, and it looks like we also have some documentation here, but the install looks pretty involved. So for now, I think I'm just gonna take this out of the box and show you guys what we're dealing with, and I'll do a separate video for the assembly. So, okay, here goes. Slide it. So, looks like sliding it out on the styrofoam is the way to go here. Okay. It is well packaged. Seems to be. So that is the base of the desk, obviously. And then it looks like this guy here, also packaged nicely in styrofoam, is the desktop, which from a size perspective, and hopefully that's where you get some value out of this video, just to get a sense, because I had no sense in terms of how big the desktop really is, and my concern was that it wouldn't fit my keyboard and my mouse and my laptop all together, and this is going to handle it no problem, and I love the black look of it. So let's just take this off. So black is a variety of different color options that the Joy Worker desk comes in, but this is absolutely perfect for me. I'm not really sure what that, I guess the desktop also angles, so I guess that little doohickey would catch anything to prevent it from falling, but I absolutely love it, and the size is perfect for my needs. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just a simple unboxing, and I wanted to show you the desk, the base, and the tabletop, in case you're wondering, like me, what we're looking at, just purely from an unboxing and size perspective. But number of parts here to put together, and I will do a follow-up video with the assembly. If you got any value from this, wouldn't mind just give me a quick thumbs up. I appreciate it. And subscribe for a fun thing on all things tech, and one very winded Tech Timmy. I don't know why I'm so winded taking something out of the box, but it is what it is. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.